Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm going to drop some seeds here. Let me share. I'm going to drop some seeds today. Now, in this container, I want to drop, let me get this off. It's one of my little Dollar Tree solar lights. I love them, y'all. My garden, she is so bright and beautiful at night. Yeah, I watch, I look at it from my window. Yeah, baby. So there we go. So now let me share with you all the seeds I'm going to drop in this container here. Whoa, there she is. Thought I had her out here with me. It is this. So let me make sure you all see it. Boom, there she is. I'm going to drop this in this container right here. And so it's a Spinach Strawberry, Baker Creek seed, and this is my very first time dropping this seed. She's beautiful. I'm looking forward to it. And let me tell you, the seeds, you don't get many seeds, right? So I'm going to try to put them all in a nice little circle here. And of course, I'm gonna direct sow these babies. That's what I'm gonna do. So I just put a little circle there and drop some like this. Now I do have another pack of these seeds too. You know, just in case seeds. Just in case, baby. But I think it's gonna take just this one. This one's gonna do it. We have a beautiful day going on here today. I thank God for it. If you could see my son, you see my son? Yeah. That is my son today. We got all kind of little worms in this bed, so that's good. All right, there she is. She's all dropped. All good. Yay! Strawberry spinach. She's dropped. All right, guys. Let's move on now. All right, guys. So this is what I'm dropping next here today. So I have some, let's see if you can see this. Yeah, purple TP beans. I have 2 pole beans here. Kentucky Wonder, botanical interest. And this is another botanical interest, purple. I'm going to put these 2 back here on this trellis, right? Now, I'm going to put the jade and some, where we at? This one, yeah, this is a Dollar Tree bean, and another one, the yellow wax bean. Yeah, I'm going to put all these in this container here. So I'm going to put the purple and yellow in the middle. So we're just going to drop these beans here today. So I hope all is well with you all today. Yeah, I've been having a great time. Great day today. Great day today. So I'm just going to make a circle here. Let me make it smaller. Let's start over. So we're going to put a smaller circle here. And then I'm going to put a bigger circle here. And then another circle there. I'm going to drop some beans right there. Okay? This just give me a, just a little outline of what I'm doing, y'all. What I'm doing. So this is the mulberry tree I was saying I'm gonna cut down. But you all see this? She making mulberries on every limb she has. She's making mulberries. Every stem. This girl is making mulberries. I guess she said, well, let me hurry up and do this before she cut me down. All right. Okay. Okay. You gotta pass. All right. I'll wait till I get these mulberries. So these are my two arabicas. This one has been through so much. This one, she had been living her best life in the greenhouse under the grow lights. Now I have my grow lights very dim, especially for her, because she is very finicky, very finicky. She cannot stand direct sun, no, and she cannot stand any cold at all. If it's 40 or less, I bring her inside because, yeah. Her leaves are so beautiful. I just gave her some water, but the leaves are so beautiful and shiny. They're just beautiful, but she is a very finicky plant. Now, where she lives at is under the plantain trees. That's where she lives at. So I will put her out there when we are past these low temperatures. Now, tonight we're going to be on the north side of the lake. It will be in the 40s. On the south side of the lake, it will be in the 50s. I'm on the south side, y'all, so it will be in the 50s. So I'm going to bring her inside. I just brought them out here just so they can feel God's sun and air, right? And I'm gonna bring them back in tonight. They will be back in the little greenhouse. So I'm cooking, but I wanted to share with you all my sweet potato. I'm making slips. This is just one container. I have some out in my greenhouse, but this is what they look like, right? So I'm sharing this for one person. I'm not gonna call her name, but she know who I'm talking to. So this is just one big sweet potato. I just put in this water. And there it is. She getting ready, y'all. She getting ready, y'all. She getting ready, y'all. So anyway, that's my sweet potato. Yeah. Ben is taking down the sugarcane. So Ben, do you think it's gonna grow back?
Oh yeah. Got some little ones right here now.
Huh?
Got some young ones right here now.
Really? Yeah. Yeah.
Got about 5 or 6 of them.
Yeah. So all the big sugar cane is coming down, and there's pups growing up already. Whoa. Look out, Ben. So That's the way it look, y'all. Ben getting it though. Ooh. Thank you, Ben.